Hey everyone, welcome to the week 13 Wednesday release team meeting for the Kubernetes 134 release cycle. Today's Wednesday, August 13th, and we are in week 13. And before we get started with the meeting, I'd like to remind you all that as part of the CNCF community, we abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which basically boils down to be excellent to each other over both Slack and Zoom and everywhere else where you interact with folks from the community. So with that out of the way, let's get started with the meeting. I don't see anything on the open discussion items, but does anybody have anything that they'd like to discuss in open discussion? All right, I guess that's a no. So moving forward with our sub-team updates, we have enhancements with Josh.
Hey everybody. Current status is green. No new updates from the enhancements team at the moment. We still have 58 tracked for code freeze, and I don't believe we've had any more exception requests come through. So no updates from us really.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks, Josh. Do we have any questions for enhancements? All right, I don't see any reason why we should be having questions for enhancements at this point, but thanks. Moving forward with release signal with Eli.
Current status it's green. The overall CI looks fine. We had this comment like SIG Release 134 informing dashboards are green now because since the test lines were created like this week, we had like a lot of issues over there, but community already fixed them. So the 134 test line is like looking good. Now next focus for us will be the RC2 CRUD. So that's it for release signal. I don't know if you have like any question for us. If not, thank you.
All right, thanks, Ali. If we don't have any questions for release signal, moving on to docs with Prashant.
Hi everyone. So our current status for docs is yellow. We had last week's weekly branch sync merged I think yesterday. And then I also created the one for this week. So that one's out and pending merging. And then we're also planning to create the RC0 PRs this week. That's just an overview of our status.
Yeah, thanks, Roshan. Do we have any questions for docs? All right. Yeah, I think RC2 is coming out next Wednesday, so I think we'll have like that as well. So yeah, I think Vyom had mentioned that we can prioritize this one and get the RC0 merged. Yeah, that this all. If we don't have any other questions for docs, I think we can move on to comms with Agustina.
Hello. So from comms, our current status is green, and we have a few updates for feature blogs. We have all 19 reached the ready for review deadline. Many of them are under review right now, and 3 of them are already merged and ready to publish. So we will open PRs to schedule soon. For release highlights, we are ready to close. We are planning to post a message with the release announcement PR asking teams, SIGs, if anything is missing, and tell them that they can do a tech review and we can close that discussion. For the release announcement, we have the pull request open. I think we have 2 or 3 caps still as a work in progress, and we are getting many comments to address. So please take a look. It is a long release announcement, so it will take some time to review. we have the deadline to finish the write-up for this Friday. And finally, for webinar and press, PR ask for availability. I have to update this because Viom already provided the availability, so it's on their side to continue the schedule of this. For the webinar, I checked Viom's and Jenny's availability. They are both available on the dates, so I will go ahead and book the webinar soon. That's all. Sorry for the long update.
Awesome. Do we have any questions for comms? All right. Yeah, I forgot to mention this for the last docs team update. Folks, if you need any help with the release notes PRs, please let us know. From the release lead shadows, both Daniel and I have worked with docs before, so we can like lend a hand if you all folks need help. Yeah, so just let us know if you need anything.
Will do.
Yeah, moving
Thanks.
on to moving on to release branch management. Drew, I see you're on the call.
Yeah, so last week we worked on the first release candidate and got through the post tasks. And now our team is preparing for the second release candidate cut scheduled for August 20th.
So, does anyone have any questions for release branch management? All right. Thanks, Drew. Next up is the Emeritus Advisor, but I don't see any updates from Fred. And I know that Vyom was also not on the call. The updates from Vyom are that we are finishing up the tasks related to the release comms. So the webinar is like about to be scheduled, I believe. Yeah, so there are no other updates from Vyom as well. Kat, I see you are on call. Do you have anything to share? Anything
I
else to
sure
add?
am here. No, y'all are doing great. This has been pretty smooth. So, good job, everybody. We don't have far to go. Killing it.
Awesome. Yeah, if folks have any questions for the EA or release lead or for Kat, I guess we can talk about them now. But if not, we are at the end of our sub-team updates. Does anybody have anything that they'd like to discuss on the recording? All right, I guess not. Yeah, with that, we are at the end of our meeting, so I'll stop the recording now. See you all on YouTube.